तो आज हम आ गए हैं जनजातीय संग्रहालय. This is a place where you can come in these times of the season, and there's a holiday on Monday, and also on national holidays it is closed. So now we are heading towards the museum. This is a spectacular museum which I have seen by far. So it's full of arts and full of creativity. As we enter over here, you'll see this is the entry gate. There's a guard over here who is sitting besides the entrance. Here they will take your registration. And then you can enter over here. As you enter in this main gate, you'll see a beautiful tree which is right in front of me over here. There are some artistic designs which you can see over here on the ceilings. It's a very huge structure which they have made, and I was amazed to look at these designs and the art form. Look at the art form. This was awesome. I have never seen something like this. This was the first time I was struck by the kind of art which they have done over here. Look at this tree. This is made of jute and bamboo. This is a jute which is covering the whole tree. And now if we move forward over here, we'll see on the right side you are seeing a gallery. It's a souvenir shop. As I proceeded further over here, there was a museum. Down there's a canteen. This area is a canteen area. We'll go later over there. First we are going inside the museum which they have made of that is known as tribal museum. Here I am. I have entered in the museum now, and over here I see the house of Gond tribe. The house of Gond tribe. They build their houses with locally available materials, and they themselves build their houses. The main entrance of the house is mostly east facing. The left side is kept a cowshed, which is supposed to be a sacred place in the house. House of Bega tribe. They are originally considered a sub-branch of Bhumia tribe of Chota Nagpur. They mainly live in the hilly areas of Mandla, Tindori, Balaghat and Amarkantak. Look at the architecture which the tribe used to make. This is the tribal aesthetics. They used to decorate their houses with these kind of aesthetics in their houses. And yeah, that's all about it. So now we enter into a different room, that is a ceremonial bangle. The bride is presented this bangle that is adorned with sandy crops trees and other symbols related to fertility and the life cycle. The bride prepares the seeds for sowing wearing the bangle. This ceremonial bangle has been recreated in large dimensions using iron and bell metal to help visitors know its significance and the concept behind it. And look at this piece of art. This is a man standing, and instead of his head there is a lot of octopus kind of hands coming out of his neck. Tree with lot of dholaks. And then signs, the tribal signs, and then if you lot of wood is used in the construction. Then I was heading down to another room, probably to see more of the arts which is presented here. Now I was entering into tribal spiritual world. This place was awesome. Tribal spiritual world. Visit to this gallery is an opportunity to experience myriad expressions of faith. This gallery exposes visitors to an extremely new realm of tribal spiritualism and its varied aspects. Symbols, signs, and images in which tribal communities post faith are in fact worshipped like gods and goddesses. Their deities dwell where they wish to, and there are no confines of temples. And then there is this Dashera chariot. I have made a video on this in Manav Sangrahalaya, so you can have a detailed look at that. I'll give that link in the description. The video shooting is not allowed over here, so I managed to take the clips. Then I entered into a room which was a tribal games gallery room. In this room you can see all the games those tribal people and tribal kids used to play at those times. You can see the very creative tree on which kids are trying to climb up. This is Poshampa. And on the left side, if you see, this is Pittu. We used to play when we were small, and this is depicted over here. Then I came out of that room and I was heading towards the restaurant. And then this is the way. Very beautifully made. This is all made of jute. Very beautiful. And then see, this is the kind of a view which you can get over here, so I have tried to take as much as I could. And when we enter down there, there's a lot of creative pillars which they have made. This is also made of jute. And there is this restaurant. If you go on the left, very nice place to hang out actually and have something if you're tired. Then it was raining. So this is the place where it's shown how the villagers entrance gate looks like. Then this is the outside, and it was raining. It was beautiful to hang out over here. And then I was heading back upwards towards the gallery. This in front of me right now, what you see is a souvenir shop which is by the name of Chinhari. Right, so you can collect souvenirs over here. Very interesting shop. You should check out while you are going out of this place. So now we are heading back, and the day is over today. So I was just looking. It was drizzling, so I just took a shot of this area. On the way back, I wanted to show you how Bhopal looks like in the evening. So this is it, the lake view from the top. And this is the beauty of Bhopal. Right in front of you, you will see the lake and the VIP road which is running along. Very beautiful sight in the night time. Raja Bhoj standing tall. And this is the Raja Bhoj Setu. That is the Raja Bhoj bridge over there you see. And this is a night view of the VIP road. I have also made a video on VIP road in detail, so you can look at that also. I'll give that in the description. Please like, share and subscribe my video to be in touch. Thank you.